Hello everyone and welcome back to another C++ tutorial. Today we're looking at limits of different data, like ints, shorts, long, and long longs. So, like always, we're going to do a pound include. Oops, so let's do it in here. Pound include iostream. Pound include C limits. So then what? And then we're gonna do and using namespace std. We're gonna make our main. Okay, so first of all, what we're gonna do is we are going to make we're going to make an int called an underscore int. We're going to equal that to int max. We're going to do a short and underscore short equals short underscore max. We're going to do a long and underscore long and equals long max. Then we're going to do a long and underscore long equals long max. So why didn't this work? Oh, because it's that. So with that, we essentially assigned all of these to their max values. Let's make this. And then what we're going to do is we're going to use the size of operator. We're going to do cout int is size of. So what it does is it prints out the size of that integer. And underscore int and then in bytes. Undel, and then we're gonna essentially do this for the rest of them that we did. Int is we're gonna make the 4, and then we're going to do n short and long and n long underscore long. So then we're going to change this to a long and a short. So then before we go any further, we're going to do a system pause. We're just going to run this, right? Each of them. So an int is always 4 bytes, a short is 4 bytes, a long is 4 bytes, and a long, which is a long plus another long to make it longer, is 8 bytes. So with that, let's space these out. Now that we have the bytes, we can do cout max of an max number of an int is, we're going to do n underscore int And then we're going to do end L. And we're going to do these again for the rest like we did before. 1, 2, 3. So short, long, a long, long, a long, and a short. So we're going to do short, long, and long, long. And then so then we're essentially what we're going to do is then kind of do the same for this. So we show the max because we put in the max. So now what we're going to do is do the min int underscore min. We're going to do a min and min for a L long min long min and short. So what we're going to present is all of the, well, I'll just show you. Let's just go in with that. So like I said, these are, so the max number is this number, the max number of a short is this, the max number of a long, and this is the max number of a long. That's how much in 8 bytes. So then the min number we can get is negative, negative, negative. So we just reverse all of them. So you can do this with booleans, floats, doubles, and a long double, all of the data types. We just showed these kind of data types for now. So these are the limits, the max and the min limits that you can determine and get yourself up to speed. You can do the size of to get every byte and learn how every byte works. And yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video.